Let's go! Woo! That's it! Madness! Oh shit, this is madness!
My leg is cut!
We have a zombie! Let's go! We're gonna die! Okay! Still coming! We're in it a little bit! We might not die now.
Just like big bass!
Might not die now. It's a possibility. Okay. That's pretty intense.
Tornado warning!
Tornado warning for Coventry, CT. Tornado warning for Coventry, CT. Beep, 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 beep. Pretty bad, maybe half an inch high. Damn. Woo!
Oh, it's clear over there already.
Oh, might be another. It looks like it's still coming.
It's clear over there.
Yeah, what?
It's clear enough.
Woo!
And it's already stopped raining.
No.
Yeah.
Never.
It's really windy.
Let's go! Okay. Make it a storm. Wait, big ass what? Oh. Try not to drop the camera.
Are you recording?
Still for 2.5 minutes.
Keep recording.
Trying. Okay, we're going through a forest right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. We have Nick, Nate, Johnny, and me, Sean. Making it off to the Survival Island. Just made it. We're finding rocks and skipping them, I guess. Didn't know that would happen. Find them.